In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change language from Chinese to English in Taobao app. Firstly, download the app and install it on your device. Make sure you are on the latest version. On the bottom right of the home screen, tap on this. This is your account center. Now tap the settings icon in the top right corner of the screen. In the settings menu, tap country/region, then select Hong Kong, China. Why? Selecting Hong Kong as your region unlocks the option to change the language to English later. Then tap confirm. After confirming the region, return to the settings menu. You will now see a new option called language/currency. Tap it and then select language. Choose English from the list, then tap confirm, and you're done. Your Taobao app will now appear in the English language.